friends, it's me, Zenara, and welcome to another Gemini sign video. And even thought we celebrated Valentine's Day over a week ago, I thought that it would be a great idea to shoot such a love kinda related video. And of course, if you're interested in how to attract Gemini person and be with them, then keep watching it. Be original. So because these guys are the stars of every party, it would be pretty hard to get their attention in the first place. So your first step is gonna be to stand out from the crowd by mastering your small talk and flattering skills. Because these guys will fall for only extraordinary and unique persons only, who don't afraid to show their true feelings, who don't afraid to seem a little bit weirdo maybe, just like them. I mean, everything new, unique, smart will drive them crazy immediately. And once you will manage to attract them, please don't push them too hard. They will not appreciate it. I mean, after giving a good impression about yourself, just leave them alone. Allow them to think, to make a conclusion about yourself without no pressure. Cause for air zodiac signs, freedom, lightness, time, distance is everything. But on the other hand, you better not leave them for long too. Cause these guys are able to flame up and flame off so fast that you will not have a second chance to impress them. So be original and always change yourself like a chameleon. So because Geminis are an air zodiac sign, you can already guess that they will not concentrate on your beauty, wellness, age or even social status. Cause for children of Mercury, the important thing is to be able to have meaningful conversations and never-ending flirting routine. But of course, before getting their attention, you should act yourself as an independent, perky, gorgeous and fun-loving one. And knowing that they are great players, you shouldn't surrender to their charm so easily. Because you know what? We're not into easy or boring targets. So keep playing and don't be serious. And at the first stages, you can even get lost for a while to spice a little bit his interest, because it's really important to be mysterious. And please don't open all your cards at once, because once they will figure it out, they might dump you. And plus, it would be really great if you guys gonna share some interest before having a love kind of thing, because it's really important to prove yourself as a good friend first. And knowing that they are super chatty, please prepare yourself for endless conversations, and in the process don't lose your interest, cause they might get offended by it. Prepare to be everything for them. I mean, they will definitely fall for you if you're gonna have as many as possible interests, since they love to talk about everything and experience about anything in the world. And plus, you should be a great lover, smart friend and spiritual advisor to be around, which is kinda hard. And obviously, you can already understand why they had so many affairs in the past, since they just wanted to have all these qualities in one person. And more important, Geminis will fall for a strong person with easygoing attitude, cause we don't like to feel pent up and tied down. And as a conclusion, they will not gonna look at you if you're gonna be too depressive, hard to handle or too strict. Cause for these fellows, lightness and freedom in a relationship is everything. Be patient. So because Geminis have a unique desire to always to do something, thanks for Mercury's planet influence with his generosity of giving high portion of energy, that we poor guys have to always distract ourselves by making new things, experiencing, learning new stuff. Cause for us, boredom is a boss killer. And of course, we can hardly relax and have some me time in general. That's why basically Geminis have a high, strong nervous system. So it's not a surprise that Geminis can act nasty or pick wrong decisions sometimes. And in such a dark and hopeless time for us, please don't give up, be patient and just ask for us what's going on. And once they will talk about it, you're gonna realize that it wasn't your fault at all. And if you like this video, please subscribe and give a big thumbs up. And for now, arrivederci, bye bye.